Hello, welcome to my channel. It's Himachal Pradesh Tourism. Top tourist place to visit in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. Number 1, Bhakhra Dam. Dam is spectacular. You need to take permits from the local authorities to visit. There is an office at the checkpoint for the same. Also, while signboards are displayed on the route, it is somewhat tricky to find the correct route. It is better to confirm with the locals on the major turns. Photography is not allowed at the dam, but there are few locations before and after where beautiful pictures of the dam facade and reservoir can be clicked. If you are also visiting Naina Devi temple, it is better to start at the temple and view the dam on the way back, as the time needed for dam is not too much. Number 2, Siddh Baba Balaknath Cave Temple. The Baba Balaknath Cave Temple at Deot Singh is a spiritually enriching destination nestled in the serene hills of Hamirpur district, Himachal Pradesh. Temple is dedicated to the revered saint Baba Balaknath, believed to be an incarnation of Lord Kartikeya. What I liked: spiritual atmosphere, scenic location, well organized darshan, and cultural significance. A must visit place for devotees and anyone interested in Himachali spiritual culture. Temple is not just a religious site, but a beautiful blend of faith, tradition, and nature. Number 3, Shakti Peeth Mata Sri Naina Devi Temple. Mata Naina Devi ji, one of the 51 Shakti Peeth, where it's believed the eyes of goddess Sati fell when Lord Shiva was carrying her body. That's why the place is called Naina Devi. Naina means eyes. The temple is situated on a beautiful hilltop, offering stunning views of the Gobind Sagar lake and the surrounding mountain. Devotees from all over India visit this holy shrine, especially during Navratri, to seek the blessing of the goddess. You will get immense inner peace, positiveness, peaceful vibes, and breathtaking 360-degree views around you, as told that is the center is situated at the top peak of the mountain. Number 4, Kandraur Bridge. The very beautiful and fascinating Kandraur Bridge is 8 km from Bilaspur on National Highway number 88. It is across the river Satluj. Its construction was started in April 1959 and was completed in 1965. The span of the bridge is about 280 meters with a breadth of about 7 meters, and the height above the lowest river bed is about 80 meters, making it one of the highest bridges in the world. It is ranked first in Asia for its height. It has provided a link between Bilaspur, Ghumarvin and Hamirpur district, and is a marvelous engineering feat. The pillars supporting the bridge are hollowed. Number 5, Jhajjar Bacholi Wildlife Sanctuary. A calm and peaceful place to visit in nature. You can find different bird species and barking deers here. Some species of snakes and pythons can be seen in summer. Number 6, NB Waterfall Kyari. This is the great place for meditators, theists, adventure seekers, experience seekers, photography. Paramhams Ashram is the caretaker of the place. This place has a great waterfall where you would like to get your feet wet or just treat your eyes with a visual spectacle. It is active throughout the year. Just about 150 to 200 meters away from approaching road, nearest marketplace in Jain Nagar, nearest accommodation in Forest Rest House, Jain Nagar. No private rest house or hotels are there. So guys, these are the top tourist places to visit in Bilaspur, Himachal Pradesh. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.